how to do Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can do or perform a Cash App transaction, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now one of the quickest ways is by simply scanning a QR code. You open up Cash App, and then if you have someone's QR code and then you would like to cash up some amount to them, just tap the QR code or the scan icon from the top left over here and place the QR code right under this box. Now if you want to actually share your own QR code to someone, you will find them here, or to scan it you will find over here. Now from here what you can do is, if you want to send a money manually over here, in this case let's say you want to send money manually, you can tap the pay option, just enter the cash tag, phone number or email manually, and once you have done that you will be able to pay them some amount of money. This way you will be able to use Cash App and then do Cash App and perform them. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.